Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Estefania Quintana, and I'm going to present you Google Docs. It's a tool for writing and collaborate in the same time with different persons or your friends, or you make an essay with your friends, but in the same time. So we can open the drive, and we are going to create a document. So this is the document. So in this document it's similar to Word of Microsoft, but in this tool we can collaborate with other person. So you can write, you can change the letter or the text, you can choose a color like this, and can you share your pictures or things like that. Also, when you result the name of the document, this change to the title like here. And this is a very wonderful tool because in this pandemic you can work with your teacher or your partner, and doesn't problem with this tool because this work with internet and without internet. So the information safe, and you can save the information, and after can do the activities that you want. So this is the activity that I do, and it's very easy to do and make answer your informs with your partners in this pandemic. Thank you, teacher.